Hello, my name is Rebecca and today we're going to have a look at the online quizzing tool Plickers. It's quite similar to some other online quizzing tools with one major difference in that the students don't need an input device to give you their multiple choice answers. They use a printed card that they hold up in the right direction to give you the correct answer. Obviously, the massive advantage of this is that your students don't need an input device, so it's great for younger kids who maybe don't have that. Right, so let's have a look at how you get started. So you would need to log into the plickers.com website. Then you need to tell the website your class. So it will be all the students in the class's name, and they will be allocated a number cards. Then you will create a quiz for them to have a go at. You need to download the app onto your phone or onto your tablets. That's so that you can scan the answers when they hold the cards up. And then you actually need the cards. You can print these out for free, or you can buy them from Amazon for about a tenner. It's entirely up to you. Okay, let's have a look at the website. Right, so here we are on the plickers.com website. The first time that you create a login and start on this, it will take you through the stages of the process of getting started, which is really useful. But because I've already done this, you can see that in my library, I already have one quiz, a test quiz called France. They all are multiple choice questions with 4 answers. That's the only style of question you can use. And I've already set up my class, which is called Class 1. And it has 5 pupils in it. You can see them down here. If I have a look at my reports, you will see that my score sheet will tell me what my students have been doing in the past couple of quizzes that I've run. I need to click on Class 1 to choose the correct class, and then it will give me a list of what they answered in the class and whether they got it right or not. So there's quite a lot of data to pick up on. Right, so how do you actually run a quiz? Well, you can control the whole quiz from the app in your phone or tablet, and that works quite well. You can have the website open on your interactive whiteboard at the front of the class, and the questions will display, and you can control the pace of the questions from your phone that you're carrying around the class with you. As you ask a question, the students will be asked to hold up the card dependent on the answer they want to give. They're labelled A, B, C, D round, and then you can scan the answers with your phone or tablet. The data will arrive on the site straight away, and you can show who's answering which question if you would like to. If you would rather, you don't have to show the questions on the board at all. You can just read them out to the students instead. This is an example of a card from the Plickers website, and as you can see, each card is different for each student, and each card can be held up according to the answer they want to give. So, for example, A here, B, C. They would have the answer they wanted to give at the top. And it's as simple as that. The scanning of the cards works really well, especially from a distance, so it doesn't take as long as you might think. And once your class is set up in the website, it shouldn't take too long to create a new quiz when you want to ask new questions. The things that I like about this system is that it's the answers are anonymous, so it's easy for students to answer. They can't copy other people's answers because they don't know which way they're holding their card, and it would be great for asking questions about well-being that they might be reluctant to answer verbally. Okay, so that's a very brief introduction to Plickers, and I hope you found that useful. Do give it a try. This video was recorded with Microsoft Stream. Bye.